crazy boys, baby. What you know about being down to your last dollar, your last black, your last blunt, your last meal, with no support, no mama, no daddy, no grandmother, no grandpappy, all your friends, bro, and they always asking, steady praying it up off me, put on the gospel, this part in the song got me on full throttle, climbed out my feelings, cause I was getting weary and weakened by the minutes. Keeping a smile is hard when you don't really wanna. Everybody plotting, everything it seems fraudulent. Transmuting this low vibrational energy. Cause this too shall pass as I withhold these ancient remedies. I tend to be more cautious of what I speak freely. Be careful to not cast spells on myself that's hindering. Desperation or scarcity. Nah, neither. I choose power, walk in abundance, that smoke, that gas, that ether. Sing it high.